sing. Red beak so bright and sweet, loves to talk and loves to greet. Mittu calls all day, happy words he loves to say. Mango, guava, fruit so fine, tasting sweet like sunshine. Nibble, nibble, pecking fast, smiles and giggles sure to last. Hello, hello, he says to you. Good morning, friends, how do you do? Children clap and dance around, with parrot's voice such joyful sound. Swinging and flying branch to tree, parrot sings so cheerfully. Rainbow bird with colors bright, fills our hearts with pure delight.